Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove old versions of Windows. This can happen when Windows gets a big update. It'll keep the old version of Windows there as a backup, but of course this can take up a lot of extra space in your hard drive. So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is checking to see if we actually have an old version of Windows. To do this, we're going to open up our file explorer and we're going to be coming to our C drive or whatever drive you have Windows installed. Now, if you have a Windows.Old folder here, you will have an old version of Windows currently stored on your hard drive, and this is going to eat up gigabytes and gigabytes of space that we could otherwise use. So to remove this, we're not going to be deleting this straight in Windows, and we're going to be opening up our Windows key in the bottom left, and we're going to be searching for disk. Now once this comes up, we're going to be looking for disk cleanup right here, and we're going to be clicking it open. We're going to be selecting the hard drive that Windows currently installed on, and we're going to be clicking OK. Now you should get this little pop-up here, and I'll show you a bunch of different things that you can remove on Windows. But what we can do is click Clean Up System Files. By clicking this, we are going to have to be an admin, and we're going to have to select the drive we want to remove system files from, click OK, and then as you can see, Windows is going to scan for previous Windows installations. Now that we have it scanned for old versions of Windows, if we scroll down in this little window, we should see previous Windows installation, and you can see it's currently taking almost 30 gigabytes. So what we're going to be doing is selecting this by clicking the tick box on the left, and you can select any other things in here you want to delete also. I'm going to be deleting this here as well, and you can select anything else you wish to delete to remove some more space in your Windows. So just from this, we're going to be saving almost 30 gigabytes in storage space. Once you've everything selected and you're happy with what you've done, click OK. Click delete files. Now it will give one more warning to say if you remove the previous version of Windows that you won't have a backup to restore to. So maybe it's worth testing all of your software to make sure it works okay. In this case, I'm pretty confident to say it does. So it's going to start deleting and removing everything on my Windows. Now this removal may take some time depending on how much stuff you're removing and depending on your computer and your hard drive, so just keep that in mind. Mine took about 2 minutes for it to be fully done, but once it's done, everything should be removed from your screen. But if we go back to our folder now and refresh, we should see all old versions of Windows are removed, and you should see your hard drive should be nice and clean and it should have much more storage on it. Anyway guys, it's that easy to remove old Windows installations on your computer. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. I make everything here for free. I always put the best quality into my videos as I can, so if you want to support me to keep making them, I'd recommend checking that out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.